Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify with Google Analytics. First, you'll need to create a new Google Analytics 4 property specifically for your Shopify store. Once that's set up, locate and copy your unique Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. This ID is crucial for linking the two platforms. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section, then select Preferences to proceed with the integration. Now, within your Shopify Preferences section, you will find a dedicated field for Google Analytics. Carefully paste the Google Analytics 4 measurement ID you copied earlier into this designated box. It's also important to enable enhanced e-commerce tracking here. This allows for richer data collection on customer interactions. After pasting and enabling, remember to click Save to finalize and activate the connection between your store and analytics. To ensure everything is working correctly, it's vital to verify the data flow. Head over to Google Analytics 4 and utilize the Debug View feature. This allows you to see events as they happen in real time. A great way to test is by performing a few test purchases on your Shopify store. Then, check the Google Analytics 4 real-time report to confirm that these events, like page views and purchases, are successfully being sent and recorded. With your Shopify store now connected to Google Analytics 4, you're ready to unlock powerful insights. You can gain a deeper understanding of customer behavior, identify popular products, and analyze purchasing patterns. This data empowers you to optimize your marketing campaigns, making data-driven decisions that improve efficiency. Track key metrics such as conversion rates and average order value to continuously enhance your online store's performance and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.